Hey, little explorers! Robots are all around us. But how do they actually work? Let's find out. A robot is a machine that can sense, think, and act, often doing tasks humans find difficult or repetitive. Robots have a brain, powered by computers and AI. Programmers write code that tells them what to do, just like instructions in a recipe. Robots use sensors, like cameras for vision, microphones for hearing, and touch sensors to feel, helping them understand their surroundings. With motors, wheels, and even legs, robots move in different ways to complete their tasks. From helping doctors to exploring space and building cars, robots make life easier. In the future, robots will be even smarter, helping us in ways we can only imagine. What do you think robots will do next? Comment below. Want to learn more fun facts? Like, share, and follow our channel Anza Facts for more amazing facts. See you next time.